In this video, I will show you how you can enter into download mode on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Now, first of all, just open the control center, and in the control center, just tap on the power icon, then select power off. Now, after you completely power off your tablet, then just press and hold the volume up button and the volume down button at the same time and plug in your tablet into charge while you're pressing and holding both of these buttons. Just like that. Now just press and hold both of the buttons, then plug in your tablet into charge. And after you do that, you will see this screen. Now to continue and to enter into download mode, just press the volume up button. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered into download mode. Now to exit download mode, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Just like that. Let's press and hold both of these buttons. Now just do this for around 7 seconds. And after you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of these buttons. Just like that. And this is how you can enter into download mode on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.